Ayurveda. Ayurveda. Okay. Sorry.
Hi, I'm from class 7. If you study these plants, the first one is of Loey. The scientific name of Loey is Cyanospora cordifolia, that used in the therapy of diabetes. This one is of Molecular. The scientific name of Molecular is Glycyrrhizin glabra. It is used in stomach-related issues, heartburn, acidity, and constipation. Here I have Ajwain. The scientific name of Ajwain is Tracheospermum amni L. It is used in stomach-related issues. It also helps us in the relief from stress. It also improves our eyesight. Thank you.
Good. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. We'll move from
Good
here.
morning,
Good morning.
I'm
Yeah.
I'm Madhvi of class 7 is going to explain about the topic. Curry leaf and tulsi. Curry leaf is also known as sweet leaf. Its scientific name is Murraya coingi. It belongs to family Rutaceae. It helps us to controlling diabetes and it has anti-inflammatory properties.
Okay.
We have two types of tulsi. One is Rama tulsi and one is Shyama tulsi. Its scientific name is Opimum taniflorum. It belongs to family Limaceae. It helps us to cure cough and it has property to control cancer and it is the queen of all medicinal plants. Thank you.
Good. Good. Okay.
Good morning.
Good morning.
This is Muskan from your class 11.
Yeah.
And my topic is on aloe vera and papaya. These both plants are of papaya and this is aloe vera.
Yeah.
It is highly rich in vitamin A and vitamin C. It has succulent leaves like this, which have jelly substance in it.
Yeah.
And this is papaya plant, which has complete digestion. And the seeds inside it are more edible and have salt peppery taste,
Okay.
which also help in digestion only. And the ancient name of this is Caricapotea, which was originally from the ancient people. And it is not grown in our states, it is grown in Florida and Hawaii in the US states in the maximum amount.
So you have to get this, you have to go to Florida. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Let's go from class 7 and here to introduce facts about plants. This is neem plant and this is mint plant. The scientific name of the neem plant is Azadirachta indica and the scientific name of mint plant is Mentha aerosus. The neem plant is useful for the medicinal purpose and it has many medicinal purpose. It is helpful for reducing blood and inflammation of gastrointestinal tract. It is responsible for reducing the joint pain, and it is also these neem leaves are helpful for insect replicant, and these are reducing lysis, and these are helpful for treating tooth pain. And the mint plant is helpful for boosting immune system, and these are helpful for activating the immune system, and it reduces stress.
Thank you.
Good morning to all. Myself Harshita from class 11. My topic is cinnamon manufacture. And cinnamon is helpful to reduce the inflammation, which helps supplements in their menstrual discomfort. And the fennel, it produces a milk in breastfeeding women. It helps in weight loss and it balance the heart. Morning and Harshita 11 farm. I'm Harshita class 11. These are some spices we use in our daily life. This is fenugreek, which come under the family of turmeric, and this is turmeric, which will come under the family of Lamiaceae. And this is thymus, which come under the family of Thymus bulgaria. And this is piper, which come under the family of Tuperaceae. These are garlic and ginger, which help us to cure cold, and we are having many health benefits related to this. This is used to bring out the natural glow of the skin, and it lowers down the high cholesterol. This is used in the liver functions, and this brings out taste in our vegetables and all. Thank you, Father.
Good. Yeah.
Good morning, your Lord.
Good morning.
Myself, Kashish from class 11. These are the medicinal plant marigold and sadabahar. Marigold, it is used to decrease the swelling. Traditionally, it is used to cure the stomach pain and cold, etc. This is sadabahar plant. It is used in the skin treatment such as acne, and it also used in the chemotherapy and the
Thank you. Thank you.
Good morning, Your Worship. Myself Surya. Today I am going to talk about Amla. Amla, which is also known as Indian gooseberry. The scientific name of Amla is Plantus amlaina. It have a great source of vitamin C, which is required in our body for the growth and the repairment of the tissues. It is also rich in dietary fibers, which help us to improve our digestion system. The benefits of Amla also include absorbing calcium, which is an essential element for our skin, hair, and nails. Thank you.
What is the name is citrus lemon. It is properly believed that citrus lemon will not bother with the health. Citric acid found in plant. Citric acid helps